Want to optimize your measurements with next level productivity? By using the digital twin with your robotic solutions. You can simulate every move before taking action. Let's explain it. Robotic measurement systems bring efficiency and improve cycle time for complete inspection. Even so, a robot is complicated to program. But thanks to the digital twin simulation, programming becomes very easy for all users. A digital twin is a virtual model of your physical setup, allowing you to simulate the measurement environment and test different paths and strategies before the robot moves. This avoids error, optimizes the robot trajectory, and ensures that everything is measured accurately the first time. And once you're ready, the robot executes flawlessly. Want to learn more about robotic simulation? Follow Metrology Group and Sandvik Manufacturing Solutions.